Hey y'all, still trying to get better, but I'm here and I just want to talk about capsule wardrobe. So recently I went through my whole entire closet and I got rid of so much stuff and I'm like, oh no, we need to do a huge redo. And I think at this stage in my life, I just want clothes that is gonna make me feel good but last a long time, good material. So I went to my chatgpt, my favorite friend, and I said, let's create a capsule wardrobe. So let's go through it. So to start off, I asked it to do an overview of a wardrobe, a capsule wardrobe, what it would look like. So here I just did it in the view of like a stylist, so then it can get a more professional look. So now I'm asking it to let's narrow it down and let's make each piece of clothing. So you're going to see how I have to be so specific. I have to be so intentional about how I make the prompts because I end up getting some wonky stuff, which you'll see along the way. But then I get some really cool things as well. So I think hindsight 2020, because I'm a bigger girl, I would have done plus size, but I think I was just trying to just do a basic to see what I can come up with. So first of all, as you could tell, it gave me a cute shirt. Like this is a cute blouse, I should say. It's really cute. But for capsule wardrobe, you kind of want to do the basics. So I had to reprompt it again and say, please make please make this more simple, basic kind of outfit, right? So then, and you have to be specific. I said nothing about female or male. So I did say for females, I wanted it to be in women's wear, more feminine. So we come up with a simple tee. So this looks pretty good, right? So reminds me of like, your H&M, your Aritzia, those kind of things. And I said, okay, so we're obviously going to need a black t-shirt in there. So I said, now create me a black t-shirt, the same kind of style. And it's going to do the same kind of thing. Again, you always want to prompt really well. And the only way you get good with prompting is number one, stepping in the shoes and thinking about what that person would want. So I'm trying to think like a stylist, but being descriptive enough that I will get the hang of what you want. So DALL-E 3 is taking forever. Sorry, it's just taking forever. I don't even know why it's going that way, but oh, I'm so sorry why it's going this way. Anyways, so it took a long time. So let's pause this for a second and fast forward. So sorry, not sure exactly what happened, but here we go. So now we got our black t-shirt, and as you can see, it's a simple black t-shirt. And this is where you can also think about the materials in your head. If you're a stylist, you're going to want 100% cotton, something very structured. Again, I am not no stylist, but I'm just giving you ideas. So now I'm saying we need a black pant. So I'm asking it, please create a black pant, make it straight leg to the floor. And you're going to see just when I show you afterwards how it actually didn't give me exactly what I wanted. And the AI prompts have a hard time doing full length, full body. I don't know. It's like kind of like banned words. Sorry guys, this video is a little choppy, but I forgot to add the shirts, the blouses. This is the blouse that I got. And now we're going to go on to the pants. So you see how they gave me the pants, but they're short. I tried to ask for long pants. Maybe I should say long pants with boots, but for some reason, like these AI prompts just have issues with long legs. I don't know. It's almost as if it's like a banned word. It doesn't really fully comprehend. So I was just having a trouble here with ChatGPT and DALL-E 3. And I noticed it was just giving me like these wonky pants. So I said, fine, I'll just stay with the kind of capri pants. I asked for linen pants. It still gave me the pants that were short. And then I was like, okay, it's getting kind of off and derailing a little bit. So let me just stick to what I have. So then I also asked it to make me a blouse. And I was like, ooh, this is cute. The one on the left, kind of weird. But the one on the right is something, again, you would see in Aritzia, H&M, like Zara, just the normal, some fast fashion. I asked it to make me a cashmere wool sweater that is in beige. Again, something that you would see. The one on the left looks a little bit too cinched in. I didn't want that. And then I asked it to make it not so fitted. And then it just made the outfit really huge. But again, that also is a style that people wear. So it just has to be prompted really well. Like these AI prompts have to be prompted so well. And then I asked it to make me a merino jacket. So it thought it meant a suit jacket. And I'm just like, okay, I got to be more specific. I wanted it to be like a trench coat. So then I said, make it a coat for outdoors. And then it gave me this. And I'm like, okay, now this is giving like Columbia jacket respects. But I'm like, this is not the prompt that I want. So you can see how it takes time and you could probably get frustrated, but you really just have to practice. So then I said, okay, let's regroup. And I said, please stay on task. I said, let's go and do what we've been doing before. So now it got back to what we were at and it gave me the trench coat jacket that I want to go into the capsule for my client. Then I said, I need a leather jacket. It gave me that. I didn't go into detail too much with a leather jacket because, you know, you could be very specific. So then I asked it to make me a skirt. So the one on the left is not what I'm looking for. I was looking for something more simple to go along with the AI prompting that we did before and the capsule we're going for. And the one on the right, as you can tell, if you look closely, it's the same kind of sweater. So then I asked it to make me a black dress. You always need a black dress, a simple black dress. So you can dress up, you know, wear to meetings, whatever the case may be. I am not a fashionista. Actually, I'm sort of, but not really. But I'm just going based on what I see in fashion and stuff. So then I asked it to make me a beige color dress. And there's one that's more structured, something you wear in the office. And then I said, I want a pantsuit. So then if you are a person who's about structure, who's about perfect, like everything, you would get so highly annoyed because the buttons here on the jacket, there's only one and it just looks a little weird. And then when you look closely, like some things don't look structured, like if you're really being picky. So that's something that might drive someone who has a serious A type situation, because look at the arms, like the arms are not going well with that jacket. But then this model on the right looks too tall. So then we got this. This looks better. 2 buttons on the jacket, rolled up sleeves. It looks more structured. Here we go. So then I said, using all the images that we got, please put it into a form of in a closet so I can show to my client so they have a little visual. So it's not going to get the exact images you had before, but it just gives them some kind of idea because you got the color patterns, right? So this person wants to be minimalist, limited color. So then I said, create a mood board for this client and so that they can see what potential clothes they will be getting. So this first mood board wasn't too bad, but then things just look kind of wonky. Like look at the pants scrunched up like that. Didn't like that. The jacket looks weird. This bodysuit, I mean, I guess it could be cute. I don't know. It was looking weird, but this one was more a drawing and I wanted more lifelike items. So then I said, recreate it again with a similar to picture number 1. And then we got this, which I thought was really good. I think majority of the items on this one look really good. Some stuff is a little wonky, like this jacket there, that white one, and probably that skirt. But I mean, some of the skirts come out really tight like that, but then the material is really stretchy. But I think this is pretty good. That's pretty great for a capsule wardrobe. Like, I think that's pretty good. So then I said, let's put this all into something in Canva that could be advertised, that you can show your client. And honestly, I think this looks so good. Just looking at this, I would have never known that this is AI. You literally created your own stock images for your brand, and you can literally go even in more detail and make it more refined to be exactly what you want. So this template was just out of Canva. I just plugged in the photos because I wanted to show you. So I think the final product looks very professional, very well put together. So definitely look into this. This definitely might be something useful for your brand. If you like this content, you know what to do.